Hi everyone, I'm Hanisha, Culinary Consultant, KitchenAid India. I have here the 1.25 litre electric kettle. As you can see, it has a stylish and compact design. It has an easy on and off switch with an LED indicator. It has a removable lid. It has a pouring spout with a filter which overuse, if there are sediments or deposits in the water, will block them from going into your cup. It has a removable base with a 360-degree rotation for easy transfer of the kettle. Also, you could store your cord in the base when you are not using it. To use, fill with water. It has an indication on the inside for maximum quantity of water. Place your lid back on and switch on the power button. Once the water comes to a boil, the kettle will automatically switch off and you will see the LED light goes off. Place your tea bag and pour in the hot water. The kettle can be used only to boil water for different kind of beverages like tea, coffee, instant soups, hot chocolate. You could easily boil water sitting at your desk, in the office or on your kitchen counter. The KitchenAid 1.25 litre kettle is great for easily and quickly boiling water in any space.